Okay. Today is the 25th, Saturday, and today I experienced something, and I don't know, it was just weird. And it kind of went against a lot of the things that I talk about and a lot of, like, the things I have, like, on my wall and, like, all of these quotes and, like, values and almost, like, rules that I live by and just things that I know. And it's just kind of a weird experience. Basically, I've always known that you learn a lot when you fail at things, right? You learn a lot when you get things wrong. You learn a lot when you do something wrong, right? So, like, if let's say, like, in some math subject, right, you're doing math and you get a question wrong, then you're able to learn from that, so you don't get the next question wrong of the same type, right? And I've always known that. And then additionally, another thing is that, like, one experience doesn't define, like, the rest of your experiences. Like, just because you got one math test wrong doesn't mean that you are going to fail the entire class. That kind of thing. And those are two things that I know that I didn't apply today. And I guess I just had to be reminded of them. So I guess those are kind of what I learned today, right? Even though it was more of a reminder. But it was just weird because today I was doing this thing for my softball and it just didn't go very well, and I was very unhappy with myself, and I was, like, kind of spiraling down thinking, like, oh, I can never do this, like, I'm so terrible, blah blah blah. And as I was thinking that, I was like, I know, like, I don't need to be thinking this because one experience doesn't define me, and it's like I can just move on and learn from it. But for some reason I even though I knew what was right and I knew I didn't need to be stressing about it, I still was. And I guess I don't think it was bad. It was just weird. I don't know. I feel like this just happens a lot. Like, you know something's right, or you know you're doing something wrong. You know you don't have to be doing this thing, but you still do it anyways, but you don't really know why you're doing it anyways. Like, I didn't really know why I still felt that way, because I knew that, like, I didn't have to feel that way, and I knew, like, you know, what I was saying earlier. It was just kind of weird. And then my sister was talking to me, and then she was like, you know, you learn the most in your failures, right? And one thing she said that I think this might just be my overall takeaway for today, my overall, like, what I learned today, was that she said that I would consider today more of a success rather than a failure. And when she said that, I was like, whoa, like, that actually is a good way to think about it, because of my failure, and I'm able to learn from that, and then it makes it a success. And you can get a lot done, you can learn a lot and grow a lot on those days where you're, like, failing and when you're, like, not doing well. But you can actually learn and grow a lot from that. So that would be maybe even more growth than you would on a day where you were just, like, succeeding at what you're doing. So that's kind of what I learned today, I guess. I guess to consolidate it all, one experience doesn't define you. So when you're failing at something, don't let that one time, that one day, that one thing define the rest of your, the rest of who you are within that thing. So for me, it's a sport. For you, it might be school or your job or something like that. Don't let one day or one experience define the rest of the thing. But also, when you're failing, understand that you're learning a lot from those failures, and you don't have to consider the day of failure. Failure isn't just something that happens. It's not just like, oh, I failed today, let's try to succeed tomorrow. It's not, it's deeper than that. Instead of just thinking, I failed today, think, okay, I failed today, how can I learn from that? It's not just like fail, succeed. Like, day by day, it's not just like succeeded this day, failed this day, succeeded this day, failed this day, right? It's not just that. And obviously we want to succeed in things, right? We want to succeed during our, like, in those days. But we need the failure in order to have the success. And a lot of times you should be searching for failure. And a lot of times most of the times, if not all the times, it's good to fail because you're learning from that, right? So when you're failing, understand that doesn't define your whole thing. It's just one day, it's just one thing. But also just understand that that's kind of a success of a day because you failed and because you know that you're going to learn from that. You're not just going to like set it down as like, I failed today, let's try to think on tomorrow. And instead think, I failed today, how can I use this failure to bridge the gap into tomorrow and try to make tomorrow so I don't fail. But then if you fail tomorrow, then that's okay. You can just keep learning, right? So this is all kind of stuff that I already knew, but for some reason, I just didn't want to apply it. And once my sister said, like, I would consider this day more of a success because I failed, that really hit. And that, I guess that's what I learned today. So, yeah. If you found this helpful, if you failed at something today and you found this video helpful, then I'd love a comment and a like. Thanks for watching. Join my Patreon for discussions and just like a community trying to get better at life day by day. So that's in the description. Thanks for watching. This video specifically recommended for you, so if you find that interesting, then definitely click on it. You can subscribe in that corner, and if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.